The main reason I wanted to take the course was just to have a really strong portfolio piece, and get the feedback on it to make it as good as possible. At any level, whether you're a complete beginner or a professional, it's always useful to have a second opinion and get feedback on your work while you're working on it, because I think it helped me to view things from an angle that I didn't think about initially. So my name is Xanthe Sinclaire. I live in Brighton and I'm a freelance character artist in the games industry. Initially, I was studying fine art, and then I ended up going to university and I've got a bachelor's degree in animation. At some point, I realized I'd rather be making the characters than animating them. I started working on character art. So that was about 3 years ago. And then I got a job at Frontier Developments, and I was working on Jurassic World Evolution. And about a year ago, I went freelance. Because it's a variety of different projects, so I get to sort of work in different styles. I sort of wanted to have the freedom to sort of work at home and work on different projects and sort of set my own hours and stuff like that. I did the stylized character program. When I was choosing the concept, I wanted something that was quite different to what I've done previously. So I wanted something very stylized and quite simplistic that didn't have too many complex pieces, so I could really focus on exploring the shape language. And I also wanted something that had a bit of a story behind it. The little monkey character, I thought that added an element of humor, which I really liked. And I just thought the sort of colors and the expression of the character was really interesting. Because I was working full-time while I was doing it, just finding time to finish it was quite difficult, and sort of staying motivated. But I felt like having the feedback every week was really encouraging, and sort of gave me a goal to aim for in order to finish the character. I don't often pose my characters, or I don't go into that much depth with posing. I'll usually create a rig rather than posing them in ZBrush, and I found that really helped to sort of create a dynamic character that looks interesting from different angles. Probably around 2 to 3 hours a week. I'll probably just use it as a portfolio piece. I think it's one of my favorite pieces that I've made. Keep up with posting on the forums every week, because the feedback that you get is really helpful. Even if you don't finish it like in time with the videos, it's still really useful to post and keep moving, and you can always go back to it later to sort of polish and refine.